Sushi roll rainbow cake. Ingredients: 3 cups sushi rice, 1/2 cup rice vinegar, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, nori, seaweed, sheets. Assorted colorful ingredients for filling: sliced avocado, sliced cucumber, sliced bell peppers, red, yellow, orange, shredded carrots, cooked shrimp or imitation crab sticks, sliced mango, cream cheese, sesame seeds, black and white, soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for serving. Instructions: prepare the sushi rice. Rinse the rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Cook the rice according to package instructions. Once cooked, transfer it to a large bowl. In a small saucepan, combine the rice, vinegar, sugar, and salt. Heat the mixture over low heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Pour this mixture over the cooked rice and gently fold it in to coat the rice. Let the rice cool to room temperature. Prepare the colorful ingredients for the sushi rolls. Slice the avocado, cucumber, bell peppers, mango, and any other fillings into thin strips. Lay a bamboo sushi rolling mat on a clean surface. Place a sheet of nori on the mat, shiny side down. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a small border at the top edge. Arrange your colorful ingredients in horizontal rows across the bottom 2/3 of the rice-covered nori sheet. Using the bamboo mat, tightly roll the sushi away from you, using gentle pressure to seal the roll. Continue until you've used all the ingredients. Once you have several rolls, carefully slice each roll into individual pieces using a sharp knife. Arrange the sushi slices on a serving platter in a rainbow pattern, alternating the colorful rolls to create a visually appealing display. Sprinkle sesame seeds over the sushi rolls for added texture and presentation. Serve the sushi roll rainbow cake with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for dipping. Creating a sushi roll rainbow cake not only satisfies your food cravings with delicious sushi but also offers an entertaining and visually delightful experience in assembling and presenting the colorful rolls. Enjoy the process and the fantastic flavors.